This is the Teacher's Edition, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's involved in the Teacher's Edition, what the content is, so that you will understand what you're getting into when you purchase this. First of all, there's the introduction, which is the philosophy of the course, and it's real important to understand the philosophy of the Victus Study Skills course because it's different from any other course of study skills that you will ever look at. The philosophy is like your worldview about teaching study skills, and of course worldview leads to behavior, and so it's important that you understand the philosophy so that the behavior when you're teaching it will really affect the kids. So the first part of this Teacher's Edition is the philosophy. Then after that, section 1 is the teacher instructions, and this gets more specific. It gets into the real materials and activities that you'll use. It gets into some effective techniques that you can use when you're teaching this class as well as other classes. It talks about the foundational cornerstones of the course, and it talks about individual differences. Then section 2 is the lessons. There are 10 lessons in the Study Skills course, and each one of those lessons is about 30 minutes, so you've got about 5 total hours of instruction that you can spread out however you want, but there are 10 total lessons that you will be teaching. And then the last part is the appendix, and in the appendix you just have all sorts of exercises that can help you reinforce what you've used in what you've had in the Teacher Edition. Now the Teacher Edition in addition does also have a smaller example of the student workbook. So when you do each one of the lessons and you've got the procedure and the materials and all that, you've also got a little small sample of the student workbook, which will help you because you'll know exactly what it is that the student's looking at the same time that you're teaching it. In addition to that, it's real important to understand that you're teaching concepts to these students. These are concepts and principles that will affect them for life. Victus is the Latin word for way of life. So we're teaching not just skills that will help a student in academics, but will help them in life as well.